This problem is given in textbook. Total amount with Akila is rupees 20 and she wants to ride giant wheel as well as hoopla. The problem here is number of times played hoopla is equal to half the number of rides on the giant wheel. And the cost of each ride is rupees 3 and cost of each playing hoopla is rupees 4. Represent this graphically as well as algebraically. Now, how can we represent graphically? Say, let be the number of rides on giant wheel be x. Rides on giant wheel be x, and let the number of playing hoopla be y. What is given according to the problem? According to the problem, what is given? Number of times played hoopla, it is y, is equal to half the number of rides, it is x. Y is equal to 1 by 2x. Take this as equation 1. We can write this equation as 2y is equal to x also, remember. Another equation is what? Cost of each ride on giant wheel is equal to 3 and number of rides on giant wheel is x. So 3x plus the cost of each playing hoopla is equal to 4 and number of playing hoopla be y. That is equal to total amount is equal to 20. This is equation number 2. So we can represent algebraically in this way. And how can we represent this graphically? Let us see. I will write again. Y is equal to value of y is equal to 1 by x, and one more equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. In each equation we have to find the value of y to make the value tables. So it is already given y is equal to 1 by x. Here we have to find the value of x. So 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x. So y value is equal to 20 minus 3x divided by 4. So I will write the value table for this equation x, y. Only 2 points are enough to draw a straight line. So take the value of x as 0. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to half into x. So half into 0, it is also equal to 0. Now substitute the value of x as 2 in this equation. What happens? Half into x value is 2. 2 half into x value is 2. 2 ones are cancelled. So y value is 1. Similarly, I will take the value table for this equation also. Here, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 20 minus 3x divided by 4. So, put the value of x in this equation as 0. Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 20 minus 3 into 0 is equal to 0 divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4. 4 ones are, say 20 divided by 4. is equal to what? 5. 4 ones are 4 5s are. Similarly, put the value of x as 4. What happens? 3 4s are 12. 20 minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 4. 20 minus 12 is equal to what? 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So we have both the values. Now plot this by graph. You should take the graph sheet and paste it to your notes. Okay. Now x o x dash, this is what? Y o y dash. Now 1 2 3 4 5 etc. Here 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. This is minus 1 minus 2. Here also this is minus 1. It is enough. Now read this value table. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. It is origin. Then if x value is 2, what is the value of y? Y is 1. If x is equal to 2, value of y is 1. So this point is 2 1, and joining them through using scale, join them, you will get a straight line in this way. And next value table, if x is equal to 0, what is the value of y? Y is 5. If x is equal to 0, value of y is 5. See, this point is 0 5. Next point is 4 comma 2, means what? If x is equal to 4, value of y is 2. X is 4, value of y is 2. 4, value of y is 2. Now join the two points using scale. You will get this type of straight line, and the point will, two straight lines are intersecting at a point. This is the value of x as well as y. So what is the value of x? X is here 4 and y is 2, right? This is enough. So we will get two intersecting lines. Now let us move to one more word problem. Rohila purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9. Sonali also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for rupees 18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Here also let the number of pencils be x and number of erasers be y. What is given? Rohila purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for rupees 9. Similarly, her friend Sonali also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers for rupees 18. These are the two equations. This is the algebraically representation method. Now how can we plot this by graph? Graphical method is what? In two equations we have to find the value of y. In first equation, y is equal to what? Value of y 3y is equal to 9 minus 2x. So y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. This is one equation. Next, 6y in this equation, second equation, 6y is equal to 18 minus 4x. So value of y is equal to, we can simplify here also. See, to the second equation, if you divide it by 2, it becomes what? It becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. See, this equation, I will write this equation as 9. Equation 1 and equation 2 are same, one and the same, right? So these type of equations are coinciding equations. So the lines are coincident. So if you plot this, we can get coincident lines. So again I will write y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. So plot the value table, right here x, take any value for x here. What is y? Y is equal to 9 minus 2x divided by 3. So take value of x as 0. Then what is the value of y? Y is 9 minus 2x divided by 3. See, this x value is 0. So 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Then take one more value for x is equal to 3. 2 3s are, see here, 9 minus 2 3s are 6 divided by 3 is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Now take a graph using a sheet of graph paper. You draw the or plot the graph. Okay, now value of x is 0. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 3. So this value 0 comma 3. Then if the value of x is 3, what is the value of y? Y is 1. So this 3, this point is 3 comma y. Now join the 2 points using the straight line scale, then you will get the line like this. And since the two equations are same, both the values are same, so they are coincident lines. Did you get this? Okay, let us see one more problem. Represent the equations x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 graphically. So in each equation we have to write the value of y. X, I will write first x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 4 minus x. Therefore y is equal to 4 minus x divided by 2. This is equation number 1. See here also, find the value of y. 4y is equal to 12 minus 2x and y is equal to, see, this is carrying minus 12, it becomes plus 12, minus 2x becomes plus 2x becomes minus 2x. So y value is 12 minus 2x divided by 4. This is equation number 2. Now make the value table x, y, What is the value of y? Y here 4 minus x divided by 2. Take one value for x, take x is equal to 0. Then y value is what? 4 minus x, 4 minus 0 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then give one more value for x. If x is equal to 2, then 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Right? Similarly here also take value table. What is the value of y here? Y is equal to 12 minus 2x divided by 4. Now substitute, take one value for x, it is 0. Now what happens? 12 minus 2 into 0, 0. 12 by 4 is equal to 3. Take one more value, take x is equal to 2. Then it becomes 12 minus 2 to 4. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So these two value tables, use this value tables, and by the help of that, using sheet of graph, can you plot this? Yes, I will leave this. You have to complete this. Okay, so you will get parallel lines here. 0 to, see this is 0. You will get the parallel lines, right? Okay, complete this. This is work for you. Okay, next let us see one problem. Find the nature of the graph. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the nature of this graph? So here given is 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Then 3x plus 4y 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. In order to find the nature of the graph, we have to find the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So what is the value of a1 by a2? Find the ratio of a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to what? Right here a1 is 6, b1 is equal to minus 3, and c1 is equal to 10, and a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 1, and c2 is equal to 9. Therefore a1 by a2 is equal to 6 divided by 2, it is equal to 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Then similarly find the value of b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 1 is equal to 3 again. Then find c1 divided by c2, 10 divided by 9. We can observe here the ratio a1 divided by a2 is equal to ratio b1 by b2, and it is not equal to the ratio c1 by c2. Therefore, what does it implies? It indicates what? The nature of the graph, or the graphs the lines, two lines are parallel. They are parallel and it has no solution it has no solution, and these two equations are inconsistent, right? So the lines are parallel, it has no solution, and they are inconsistent, right? Now see one more problem. Find the nature of the solution for 2x plus 5y is equal to 10, 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Here also find the value of, I will write again, 2x plus 5y is equal to 10, 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 5, C1 is equal to, carry plus 10 to that side. It becomes, write it in the standard form, therefore C1 is equal to minus 10, and here A2 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 4, and C2 is equal to, here also C2 is equal to minus 7, because carrying plus 7 to the same side of 3x plus 4y, it becomes minus 7. Now find the ratio A1 by A2 is equal to 2 divided by 3. Then B1 by B2 ratio is equal to 5 divided by 4. Then you need not go further. C1 divided by C2, it is not necessary because these two are not equal. Therefore A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. What does it imply? It says the two lines are intersecting. Two lines are intersecting, and it has a unique solution, unique or only one solution. Then it is there, the equations are consistent, right? Okay, next one more problem. Find the nature of the solution. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10, 6x plus 15y is equal to 20. 2x plus 5y is equal to 10. Then 6x plus 15y is equal to 20. What is the value of a1? Is 2, b1 is equal to 5, and c1 is equal to, yes, it is not plus 10, it is minus 10. Similarly a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to 15, and c2 is equal to minus 20. So find the ratio a1 by a2. a1 divided by a2 is equal to 2 divided by 6, it is equal to 1 by 3. And similarly find the ratio b1 by b2 is equal to 5 divided by 15, it is also equal to 1 by 3. Next, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 20, it is equal to 1 by 2. Minus divided by minus, it becomes plus, 0 0 cancelled, so 1 divided by 2. Therefore what do we observe here? a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2, and it is not equal to c1 divided by c2. So what is the nature of the equations? These two equations having parallel lines. They are parallel. Then it is inconsistent and it has no solution. It has no solution. Did you get this? Okay. Next, last one more problem. See here. This is the 7th problem. 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then 10x plus 4y is equal to 20. Find the value of a1. It is 5. b1 is equal to 2. c1 is equal to 10. And a2 is equal to 10. b2 is equal to 4. c2 is equal to, see, this is minus 10. Here also this is minus 20. Therefore, ratio a1 divided by a2 is equal to 5 divided by 10. It's equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, b1 divided by b2, on simplification, substitute the value. b1 is 2 divided by b2 is equal to 4. So again you will get 1 by 2. Then find the value of c1 divided by c2. It is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 20. So it is equal to again 1 by 2. Therefore lines are coincident. Then they are consistent. It has infinitely many solutions. Equations are consistent. Yes, children. In the next class, let us solve exercise problems also. Thank you.